The Lion and the Mouse. One day in a deep forest, a mighty lion was resting under a tree after a heavy meal. The air was calm, and the king of the jungle slept peacefully. Just then, a tiny mouse came running through the grass. Without noticing, it climbed onto the lion's body and ran across his nose. The lion woke up angrily. With a loud roar, he caught the mouse under his strong paw. "How dare you disturb my sleep?" the lion growled. "Now I will eat you." The little mouse trembled in fear. His voice shook as he begged, "Oh, mighty lion, please forgive me. I am such a small creature. If you let me go today, I promise one day I will help you." The lion laughed loudly. "You, a tiny mouse helping me? Impossible! But you have made me laugh, and I am not very hungry now." With a smile, he lifted his paw and let the mouse run free. Days passed, and the lion forgot about the incident. But one afternoon, hunters came into the forest. They set a strong net and caught the lion. The great beast roared and struggled, but the ropes were too tight. He could not escape. His roar of anger and pain echoed through the forest. The little mouse heard the cry. He rushed to the place and saw the lion trapped. Without wasting a moment, the mouse said, "Don't worry, my friend. I will help you." Then he began to bite the ropes with his sharp teeth. Slowly, he chewed and chewed until the ropes broke. At last, the lion was free. The lion looked at the mouse with deep gratitude. "I was wrong to laugh at you," he said softly. "You may be small, but you have saved my life. Thank you, dear friend." From that day, the lion and the mouse became good friends. The king of the jungle learned that even the smallest creature can be a great helper. Moral, even the smallest friend can be a great help.